Okay, let's continue with practice problem number 10. Jenny earns 950,000 annually but pays 50,000 pesos in annual deductions. Find her net monthly wage. B. Find her net daily wage based on 5 work days per week. So the net monthly wage will be net annual salary is 950,000 minus 50,000. So you have 500,000, 900,000 pesos. So the net monthly wage is 900,000 divided by 12 equivalent to 75,000. Letter B, the work days per month is 5 times 4 equal to 20 days. So the net daily wage is 75,000 divided by 20, 3,750 pesos. MCQ for Lesson 2, Monthly Wages from Annual Salary. Number 1. Which of the following best defines monthly wage? Letter A. The amount of money earned in 1 year. Letter B. The amount of money earned in 1 month. Letter C. The amount of money earned in 1 week. Letter D. The amount of money earned in 1 day. Number 2, how many months are used in the computation to find the monthly wage from annual salary? A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 13. Number 3, what is the correct formula to find monthly wage from an annual salary? Letter A, monthly wage equal to annual salary times 12. Letter B, monthly salary is equal to annual salary divided by 12. Letter C, monthly wage equals to annual salary times 52. Letter D, monthly wage equal to annual salary divided by 52. Number 4, an employee earns 843,000 annually. What is the monthly wage? Letter A, 70,000 pesos. Letter B, 65,000 pesos. Letter C, 75,000 pesos. Letter D, 68,000 pesos. Number 5, Carlo earns 54,000 per month. What is his annual salary? Letter A, 624,000 pesos. Letter B, 648,000 pesos. Letter C, 720,000 pesos. Letter D, 756,000 pesos. Number 6, which of the following is the correct way to find daily wage from monthly wage? Letter A, daily wage equals to monthly wage times work days per month. Letter B, daily wage equals to monthly wage divided by work days per month. Letter C, daily wage equals to monthly wage times 30. Letter D, daily wage equals to monthly wage divided by 30. Number 7, a worker has an annual salary of 900,000 pesos and works 5 days a week. What is the monthly wage? Letter A, 72,000 pesos. Letter B, 75,000 pesos. Letter C, 78,000 pesos. Letter D, 70,000 pesos. Number 8, an employee monthly wage is 40,000. How much is the annual salary? Letter A, 420,000. Letter B, 440,000. Letter C, 460,000. Letter D, 480,000 pesos. Number 9, Maria earns 65,000 pesos per month and works 22 days each month. What is her daily wage? Letter A, 2,800 pesos. Letter B, 2,950 pesos. Letter C, 3,000 pesos. Letter D, 3,050 pesos. Number 10, if an employee's annual salary is 780,000 and the monthly wage is 65,000, which statement is true? Letter A, the monthly wage was calculated using 12 months. The monthly wage was calculated using 10 months. C, monthly wage includes overtime pay. Letter D, the monthly wage excludes deductions. Number 11, a company offers a salary of 1,200,000 annually. What is the monthly wage? Letter A, 90,000 pesos. Letter B, 95,000 pesos. Letter C, 100,000 pesos. Letter D, 105,000 pesos. Number 12, if the monthly wage is 52,000 pesos, how much is earned in a year? Letter A, 620,000 pesos. Letter B, 624,000 pesos. Letter C, 628,000 pesos. Letter D, 632,000 pesos. Number 13, an employee earns 60,000 monthly but spends 5,000 monthly on transportation. What is the net monthly income? Letter A, 54,000 pesos. Letter B, 55,000 pesos. Letter C, 56,000 pesos. Letter D, 57,000 pesos. Number 14, if an employee works 20 days per month and has a daily wage of 3,500, what is the monthly wage? Letter A, 68,000 pesos. B, 69,000 pesos. C, 70,000 pesos. D, 71,000 pesos. Number 15, which of the following statements is correct? Letter A, monthly wage is always higher than annual salary. Letter B, annual salary is equal to the monthly wage times 12. Letter C, monthly wage is equal to weekly wage times 12. Monthly wage, letter D, monthly wage is annual salary times 12. Answer key for lesson 2. Please proceed to lesson number 3. And then the answer key for lesson 1, weekly wages from an annual salary is as follows. Number 1, C, the total amount earned in a year. Number 2, C, 52 weeks. Number 3, B, weekly wage equals to annual salary divided by 52. Number 4, B, 15,000 pesos. And letter number 5, B, daily wage equals to weekly wage divided by the number of work days. Number 6A, 3,000 pesos. Number 7, D, 494,000 pesos. Number 8, B, salary before deductions. Number 9, B, 5,000. Number 10, B, 1,600 pesos. Number 11, B, 13,000. Number 12, B, weekly wage is calculated by dividing the annual salary by 52. Number 13, B, 780,000. Number 14, C, 3,600 pesos. Number 15, B, it will be higher. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, Keep exploring and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery.